like to visit this home.
Bob, did you push that door open like that? You alright?
Yeah. Something burrowed up underneath of it.
Hello? I just got really cold.
Yeah, me too, man.
You too?
Bird.
Do you hear that? It's like he's just kind of hanging out with us.
Car.
I think it might be police.
Let's go.
Huh? Okay, so we pulled up this house, as you guys can see. Except for that light way out in the distance, it's pitch black. Try not to blind myself. Hello! There's Bob over here. Sam in the back somewhere. It is, I don't know, maybe 8:30. Okay, I'll get the light shining right on it, but I can't even capture it with my camera. It's a big white 2-story house. It's attached to another house. It's got a stone base, some columns in the back. Looks like there was stairs on front, but isn't anymore. See that attic window up there, Sam?
Spicy.
Oh man, and there's a red barn attached to it. This is actually pretty big. Alright, so we're getting out of the car. About to walk up here. Looks like the only way to get in here. Is there something up there? I thought I saw a light or something. Is there a light up there? Hello?
Hello?
To the car?
Yep.
Lights out. We don't know whether we're supposed to be here or not, so I'm just gonna kind of let them do their thing. Okay. Huh? Bones? Where? Up underneath?
Car.
Car. I'm gonna get up on the porch. Ooh, be careful.
Hello. We'd like to visit this home.
Bob, did you push that door open like that?
Yeah, I pushed that.
Okay. Hello? That's old. That's old electric.
What's that door to?
I don't know. We're just coming to check stuff out. We come in peace. Where?
Something's burrowed up underneath of it.
Yeah. Animal?
Yeah.
Where to first? Hmm?
Just want to be quiet for a little bit. See? This door here. This doesn't lead anywhere.
Yeah, we should probably check things out a little bit. wow, this is, yeah, it's a tiny little room. There's stairs up there though. Hello? So it's definitely old. I mean, look at all this. I don't know, I was looking at that. Hey, do we want to like open this door just in case we had to hop out of it? I guess.
That whole front side's kind of falling down.
Is it? Okay. Old windows at the door. That door has no knob.
Mm.
Who wants to open it?
Will it open? What's it open from?
Oh,
Oh, Howard.
there's only one way to find out. Oh, that light's nice.
Get on that? It's like that kind of fall from the floor.
I think you're okay.
Oh, that's sketchy as
Hmm.
Oh, it's an old latch. Hello? Nice. Downstairs.
easy there.
We're just going to check things out. Done with these. I just got really cold.
Yeah, me too, man.
You too?
Mm-hmm.
It's a little moldy in here.
Bird.
Oh! 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 Hey, buddy. I think you. Oh. Do you hear that? Why? He looks like a phoebe or eastern flycatcher. How you guys doing?
Pretty good.
Was there any more in there? We're running into it.
Did he go back?
There's a door
No,
up here
that's where he came from.
with like
Really worried about this door.
harbor on either side, so you can put a board, block it. On the inside. I'm sorry, buddy. I know. Wow, that's really old. It's like he's just kind of hanging out with us instead of going away. This is kind of weird. There's an opening here that goes into the kitchen. I know this is hard to see.
I think that goes to the barn. Well, I'm gonna help people in here.
But then there's also a door right there that leads to the kitchen. Hey, look, here's like a hidden looking door here. He's not gonna hurt you. He's alright. Just stay back there, buddy. You're alright. Huh, there's a window right there. My camera just got really, it just got kind of blurry, hard to focus.
How many birds are in here?
I think
Just
it's
one, right?
none, yeah. Let me see how this door works. So, I'll roll the door. Oh. Spider webs and shit. Yeah, it's like a push door. Did you hear that? Hello? We're just here to talk. If you don't want to talk, that's okay. This bird's following us. It feels like. Something about this area right here feels really cold.
Yeah.
How you guys doing? You guys alright?
Yeah.
Besides the bird flailing above our heads.
Seriously. Yeah, I don't care about
He's
that
going
stuff.
upstairs.
Not upstairs yet?
Nah, I don't think
Did
I
he
can
just
handle
go
that.
upstairs?
That's what bird
He's
was.
sitting on the stair. Hi.
I wish he went to his nest. You'd feel better about it.
Oh, that's where he came from. I see.
right above my head.
Yeah. Huh. Well, any other doors we can go through?
I want to see where that one door connected to. If it just went on the side or...
I'd imagine.
Yeah, it did.
It
Because
had
it
to,
would have been
right?
right there if
That's
it
what
did.
I was thinking, yeah.
I'm about ready to open it now.
Wait, what's there behind that door that we opened?
That's what goes up to the attic.
Oh, they go up to the attic?
Yeah, that does too.
Well, then what are those?
They also go to the rats around. That's why I've been keeping an eye on both.
So would these, like, is this like an old plantation house? Would this have been like the servants' stairs? Where the other one were like the main stairs? Look how small they are. Hmm. I don't know what it is about that corner. Every time I see it, my heart kind of skips a beat. Yeah, that door must just lead outside. Do we have permission to come upstairs? Hello? You have a beautiful home.
Very nice.
I'm feeling a little nervous about being the first one in line here. I'm just gonna go ahead and come on upstairs and hopefully you guys follow right behind me. Wow, this is really beautiful. Is it a dead bird?
Yeah, on the stairs.
Uh-oh. Look at how little that door is. Come on in here, little big guys.
I'd love to. I'll trust that door.
Yeah, I'm not sure about it.
It looks pretty good.
I think the outside structures.
Strangely enough, I don't see any leaves.
That's
Oh, car. Alright, so just don't step anywhere where there's floor or paper. Because then you can't see. Oh, another car. Good morning. This is just a closet. The ceiling's a little low. Don't knock yourself out. So you're thinking that these stairs will wrap around to the other ones? Oh. Do we have permission to enter?
Can we come through here and then go down the stairs to exit?
I'm just gonna push one more time. Wow, it steps up into this room. See, what's interesting is like these rooms up here have more modern, like electrical receptacles and stuff.
I think this is built on after. I think that's why the staircase goes past that window.
Your turn, Bob. We've been in here for 23 minutes.
Yeah,
Yeah, can you believe it?
we gotta have a challenge.
Yeah, 30 minutes. Maybe not alone, but...
Look at this drop off. Straight down outside.
Look, you can see our car out there. Is this a door? Why would this be here? Oh, car. This door that just opens on the second floor. And just drops off. Yeah, I think so. Like, I don't feel anything that feels... Yeah. Maybe it doesn't feel like it's gonna fall apart. Yeah, here are the stairs.
These are stairs, okay.
There's more stairs?
Yeah, I don't think we need to go up to the third level here.
Yeah, there's not a room up there.
There can't be. That's where that window had to have been, though, the one we saw when we were getting out of the car.
Yeah. The link keeps messing with me. Because every time I'm running up, it's
Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, it like glitch.
Yeah,
It looks like it glitches a little bit.
right there. Nowhere else. Just right there. Yeah.
Okay, I see it. Alright, so what if you pointed at, like, this wall? Will it not?
Oh, car.
Car. Smaller.
Yeah, you can check it. That's not bad.
It's actually pretty big, I think.
Don't know whoever built it was structurally inclined.
Oh, yeah. I might just peek my head up here. Sam, would you do me a favor?
Alright.
Would you do me a favor and just kind of stand in front of the door?
So does it close?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Thank you.
How much room's up there?
Actually, a good bit. The ceiling's probably like 7 feet. And yeah, it's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. I don't know if you guys can see him back there. Huh, he's a baby. I've never seen a squirrel that small in my life.
What do you think?
Give me a second. Car. There's no telling how long it is.
I'm gonna go ahead and come down these stairs. think they might be police. Where'd he go? I think the police might have pulled him, but I'm not sure. Yeah, it's hard enough. The lights kind of look like a cop car, but I don't know. Do you see a car out there?
No, I don't think so.
No.
Let's go.
Huh?
Let's go.
So I better just go. He's probably just wondering who the heck's parked here. Alright, so we're just gonna head out. Does it kind of look like a copper? Wait, what were you saying?
After I got rid of my initial anxiety of it, it kind of felt like the only thing that kept trying to come through was like a bit of comfort.
Huh. I kind of felt that once I saw the bird for some reason.
Yeah.
That one area though that you kept telling us to be quiet in, and then Sam said he smelled the like something burning.
Mm-hmm. A wood stove or something, like whenever it does catch fire. Yeah, I'm curious about playbacks on that because I thought I heard voices when I first came
I
out.
did too. That's what you were telling me to be. Yeah.
We heard when we were like right below.
Yeah, Keith?
What was it? Right where you were standing, whenever you told me to hold the door, we kept hearing noises from that like exact spot. Like somebody was walking around or something, or just something was falling over in general.
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
I mean, it could have been that squirrel.
Oh, it was a baby. It was so small.
Oh, it wouldn't have made that much noise because
It was
sounded like something fell off a shelf or something.
Oh no. Yeah, this thing was tiny. And you heard that too, Sam?
Yeah.
Huh.
That's when I was like pressed against both of you. I was like, listen. Do you hear talking?